When teaching online, diagramming or demonstrating concepts in real time can be a challenge. A document camera that lets you write or draw with a pen or marker on a piece of paper or separate whiteboard is a great solution. Setting up your own DIY document camera does not require professional equipment. All you need is a smartphone, a ruler, a stack of books, and a rubber band. You can use similar household items if these are not available to you. First, stack books to create elevation. Use as many books as needed to ensure that what you want to show is in the frame. Next, secure the phone to one end of the ruler with a rubber band. Place the ruler on top of the books with the camera lens facing down. Use a heavy book on top of the ruler to hold the phone in place. To use a document camera during a Zoom session, you must install the Zoom app on the document camera. Join your scheduled meeting from this device. Keep the microphone muted, rotate your screen to horizontal view, and turn on the video. Your students will now be able to see what your phone is seeing. Pin the document camera window in Zoom so it's always visible to everyone. A DIY document camera is just one of the many different tools you can use to make teaching online easier, and we hope this video can inspire you to get creative.